We're doing intro to kayak, so we're going to learn how to use a double-ended paddle. Got a blade on both ends, and learn how to use it. Our blades are a little bit different. We're gonna use our wing blades, which are a little bit different than your typical blades, which are a little more efficient in the water once you know how to use them.
Retirement just turns the valve off completely. So you don't have that socialization, you don't have, you're not meeting new people, you're not doing exercise. Sometimes you feel sorry for yourself, and then you realize, hey, you're not the worst one out there, so if they're getting out there, so can you.
I was looking at him, he looked so graceful, and then I sort of felt semi-incompetent, but
C'était une super belle expérience avec des gens fantastiques. C'était super.
That was a great opportunity to be part of this kayak course.
Loved it. Loved it. I found a new way to handle the paddles.
Great instruction techniques and see some people because of the situation right now. It's nice to get out amongst people in a safe sort of way.
J'ai vraiment aimé l'expérience ce matin, puis on va retourner encore sur l'eau.